Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover the basics of using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before using Profloan 3, users should familiarise themselves with the system defaults. Click on the menu option Calculator Defaults to display the default values. The calculator is pre-populated with these values. Users may adjust as desired. The nominal payment multiplier and estimator work defaults will be explained a little later. Please note the finance types available within Profloan 3 and the tax and per diem implications of choosing a finance type. Online help is available by clicking on the Help menu item. And now to the calculator. Profloan calculator contains switches. The include tax with cost net switch toggles between applying or not applying tax to the cost net. Deposit paid to supplier switch, if switched, reduces the amount financed by the deposit amount. If a finance type is chosen which excludes tax from each payment, such as hire purchase, then the tax may be paid in any of the first 12 months by selecting the month from the drop-down and switching between adding the tax in addition to the payment or excluding payment from the month chosen. I draw your attention to the controls that have a hash sign suffix: cost gross, residual percentage, and brokerage percentage. Editing many controls causes other controls to be automatically updated, but this cannot work in reverse, as it will create an endless loop. When editing any of the three controls mentioned, please click on the control after editing to apply the changes. All the toolbar buttons have tooltips. To calculate a simple solution, click on the Calculate button. The solution is displayed in the expansion panels below. Payments, amortization schedule, estimator, interest, payout gross and payout net are expansion grids compiled from the amortization schedule. For simple structured solutions such as quarterly payments, select quarterly in the Payments Are drop-down, then hit Calculate. The solution can be seen in the Payments expansion panel. This concludes the Profloan 3 Basics video. Browse our other titles which cover solving backwards, complex structured solutions, and using the estimator.